Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to fix iPhone speaker. If your iPhone speaker sound is too low, how to fix it. First of all, go to setting and scroll down to accessibility. Tap on it, and after that you have to tap on hearing device. Tap on it. Your hearing aid compatibility must be turned off. After that, go back to setting again and open accessibility again and go to touch. Tap on it and here you found call audio routing. Tap on it. It must be on automatic, not on Bluetooth headset speaker or auto answer call. It must be on automatic. After that, go back and again go to setting and open general, and here you find out transfer reset iPhone. Transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and now reset. You have to click on reset, and now you have to click on reset or all setting. Reset all setting. Tap on it, and now you have to enter your password, and now reset or tap on reset setting to make sure this process. Tap on it, and after that go back, and by applying all this method your problem will be solved. If it doesn't help you, you have to clean your bottom and top speaker. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.